Hello everyone, my name is Huy Hoàng. I'm 8 years old. Today I will tell you about nature food chain. So, do you know in life, animal takes in oxygen, eat bread, takes food, water, and gets out chemicals, bad chemicals like poop, urine, and carbon dioxide.
Wrong.
So,
Wrong.
we're going to take into the food chain.
Wrong.
So, don't look at those Vietnamese words.
Wrong.
So, we're going to talk about this type of corn crops. So, do you know the corn have energy into it, makes the food, and get carbon dioxide and sulfur out? And sometimes that must be food chain, is that too, right? So, I tell you a question. What does the corn eat? Yes, you're right. Sunlight. So, we're going to leave next. So here we have food chain. First, it started with a super massive corn, and a grasshopper eats the corn. Yum, yum. And then the last is the frog. The frog eats the grasshopper. Now the frog is top predator. Yikes! What a long food chain. So we have this type of food chain, and what do you know? Of course, we have my mouth about it too. Corn, okay. Next, grasshopper eats it. And last is a frog. Frog eats a grasshopper. You see? A food chain always eats others. So, if you ever see a type of food chain like a frog eats and eats a snake, and the snake eats battle. It's a food chain. There are many types of food chain in the nature. Let's get next. Now, we got those food chains. So, we started with the virus. Oh, sorry, bacteria. Get into this. The grass eats the virus, bacteria. And then the rabbit eats the grass. And lastly, the fox eats the rabbit. Now fox is top predator again. So you see.
No.
So let's go to the second one. We have a picture here, and your turn is to click it. So we didn't need any more. Now we got a mind about it, but actually it's got so when the viruses, bacteria attacks the deadly issues, and it turns into turns into the grass. And then a goat eats the grass. They got energy from the grass and the bacteria. And the tiger eats the goat. So the tiger has the most energy. He's a top predator again, guys. What a good chain. So now we have different mind maps about us here. The first thing is about start with an earthworm. Earthworm will eat plants, and the rooster eat the earthworm, and fox will And then the bird eats it. Of course, eat the chicken caterpillar. And at last, the eagle got up and soared the bird away for lunch. So, eagle. So you see, the one that's last of the food chain will be the top predator, which means it gets most energy of it. Let's see again. Now, can you make a food chain with those pictures? Of course. You know that this would equal this, right? And this would. So this eat this and this eat this. So we have food chain about it first. Now we got it. Oops. Get back. Here. Sorry, guys. So here we have food chain. First food chain. The mouse eat the grass and the owl eats the mouse. Secondly, the snake. Oops, sorry. Snake eats the eagle. Sometimes when eagle drops down, it got up and eats it. And when the rooster will jump and eat it. Now this is top predator again, guys. Now we can make another with this. The cow eats grass and people eats cows. What a funny picture. So now we got a new type. Your turn is, it's your turn to do it. Write the word in the blank for me. Here. I'm going to make a food chain first. Alright. So, what's this one for? This one is at the last type. You know. Here, I'm going to let you to last type. At first, I have to get cancel of these first. Here, at last type, is the grass and the mouse and the owl. So we're going to get next. Remember it, guys. Everything always turn up. So we got the first thing. What eats the grass at the first thing? That's correct. The cow eats grass. Humans eat cows. So what do the caterpillar eat? Yes, it eats type of trees, corn crops, etc. And bird will soar down and eat the caterpillar. So, what eats the patty? The patty, of course, many people like to eat patty, but mostly chickens. Oops, sorry guys, it's not chicken. Type of caterpillar, but it's different. A tackle caterpillar. And the buzzard soar down and eat it up, which makes a top predator. But top predator is still us. We eat everything, not even grass. So you're going to get it up. Now I'm going to tell you a story about it. Don't look at those. So, in the town, people learned that the place that didn't live with cats will, patty will drop down. But if they get the food, that means they live with the cats, then the patty will go up again. So, but how? It's because of food chain. I tell you about this. Here, the food chain here. So, a mouse will eat this. Because of this, no cats means turtle. So, we have find out about it here. Oops, oh no. Here we have the patty. Next we have the mouse. Lastly, we have the cat. The cat is a top predator, guys. I told you. So, our thing we should learn is only plants get energy from the light and get food like water, carbon dioxide, many chemicals that make them grow, and to make many vitamins to make them healthy. So, to be that, animals could eat it. A food chain is a chain. Start with an animal to an animal that eats each other. A snail, a frog eats snail, and the cat, and the snake eats a frog. Like that, it was a good day to be. So, in the nature, many types of food chains starts with plants. Always, a food chain always starts with plants. Remember it, guys. But some didn't. So we got this, and we're going to do more explorers, guys. So, what are we doing now? But I have a question for you. What happened if one of the food chain broke? The answer is there will be no life on Earth. You don't believe me? Alright, so remember the food chain? I said I will get back the food chain for you to see.
Ui, con chết đi.
So here, the picture, there's no grass, a patty means no mouse, and no mouse means no owl survive. See, it's really bad. No eagles means no snakes. No snake means no roosters. They will all die. No grass means no cows, and no cows means no humans. That was sad lot, guys. So remember, everything always starts by a food chain. And if you ever got blocked in a food chain, just make the food chain up. So whenever you're blocked up, just think of the food chain. And other types series, there are many types of food chain. And the second video, I will tell you about food webs. But first, we didn't need all those now. So, say goodbye, guys. I think it's time to bye-bye up. Goodbye.